so hot.
It's not even that hot.
It is hot. You just got here. You rode for like an hour and a half in the AC.
Well.
Okay. Okay.
Where are we?
I don't know. I heard a bunch of blow-off valves, so I came to check it out.
Hello, welcome back. We're working on the Supra today because I realized that I'm still not really that ready to start the conquest after last video. So, we're working on the Supra and we're gonna do a bunch of stuff. So what do we have to do? Is it gonna run today?
No, it won't run today. Come on. You know better than that. We've been doing this long enough to know that nothing ever works as planned.
Yeah.
So we'll put fuel rail, fuel injectors, throttle body, IAC, finish up some wiring, maybe throw some belts on, maybe fix some of this.
What is that?
Broken.
Looks like my wiring harness.
And if we have time, we'll climb underneath it, finish putting, wiring up the starter, hooking up all the transmission jazz. Maybe even put the drive shaft in it. And find some bolts. for the transmission.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Woo! We have injectors.
Why do you have so many injectors?
Because I got so many cylinders.
I only have 2. A primary and a secondary.
That was Mitsubishi's better idea.
The old forklift motor.
Is it really?
Yeah, they use it with forklifts.
Alright. Learn something new every day.
Are they seated properly?
We get a bolt in them. They seated. And this is all so much easier to do outside the car.
Yeah. What's that?
What?
That little thingy there.
It's a filter.
A filter?
Yeah.
What does it filter?
Air.
Air? Really?
Yeah, I think it is. It's for the IAC.
So yesterday was Jopi, and I do have to say, it was a good time. It was really good.
Really good bread.
It's really good bread.
It's really good bread.
What do you think of it?
I liked it. I had fun.
Especially for the first one, because Myrtle Beach Drift Series, they usually just hold drift events, but they incorporated the car show and vendors and food stuff. But yeah, it was a great turnout. I think on Facebook it said that over 560 people were actually going. So, like I said, it was a good time. I didn't really film that much, but what I did film, I just filmed a little bit of the drifting, and I'll put that at the end of this. Put a couple clips at the end of this video. But yeah, they were saying that they're already planning for next year, and that since the Jopi Nationals, is it called Jopi Nationals anymore? Is it really national? Or is it just Myrtle Beach?
I have no idea.
But but they do 2 events a year at the Speedway, so they're actually thinking of doing 2 events per year as well. So that would be pretty cool. What was your favorite car?
Once I say it, we're not gonna be friends anymore, so I don't want to.
Why is that?
Because you'll be like, why would you like that? Like, why would you?
Feo?
What?
Or whatever it was, that little green car?
Oh, no. That's a Nissan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to say the R32 was pretty sweet there.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice. That was Lucas's favorite.
Was it?
Yeah. He got a big smile on his face when he saw it.
Good choice. I'm gonna have to say my favorite car there is the LS400.
I didn't even see that one.
It was like VIP style, like a gold LS400 that was like laid all the way on the ground.
Gotcha.
With I don't even remember who made they're like solid wheels with little things in it. I'm not doing it any justice, but yes, that was my favorite car. It was clean on the inside. Like,
Yeah.
everything was just immaculate. How about you?
The only one that I really stopped to look at was the Skyline. I felt like I rushed through the car show side. But
It was. I mean, there was. I think the only car that showed up after you left that you didn't see was an Evo.
Mm.
Yes, I said Evo,
not Evo.
not Evo.
It is evolution, not evolution.
I've been saying that for years. That was really nice. It had like a Voltex kit on it. It was pretty nice. I at least liked it because it had a Pikachu sticker on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you didn't say the Supra.
I was trying not to play favorites. Trying not to play favorites. I was trying to pick something that wasn't a Supra.
I got you. My favorite drift car there, though, I think was that BMW, the red and white BMW. That thing was like professional. Not saying that the others weren't, but it was really nice.
Some good bread.
It's good bird.
And the Supra was rocking a
Save the 7M sticker.
Save the 7M sticker.
All right, fuel injectors are hooked up. Fuel rail is in. Next step is
Take over the world.
not really. What are we doing now?
Put the IAC on.
That's that thing with the little filter.
That thing with the little filter.
You gotta find some bolts for it.
Of course. Why would I label anything?
Remember, kids, label everything.
And it's always easier if you put your wiring harness together inside the car. Not really.
Huh?
Put your wiring harness on the motor outside of the car.
Oh,
All of this, do it outside.
before you put it in.
Yes. Because it's so much easier.
If you learn anything from our videos,
What not to do.
yeah, it's what not to do. More progress. We have an IAC. Nice, see for the line. What's that?
You're crazy. I like you, but you're crazy. That doesn't fit
That's not the right gasket.
because it's an exhaust manifold gasket.
And why are you trying to put that on a throttle body?
because I'm trying to make sure you are on your toes.
All right, before anybody says anything, we forgot to put the little O-ring in there. So we took it back off. Then we're putting it back on again because that's what we do. All right, so as you just saw, we put that on upside down. So we're going to take it back off
Again.
and rotate it. So this is third time's a charm. So then after we rotate that, we can put throttle body on.
How's that look? Better?
I think so. All right. IAC is on the right way, we think.
Throttle body. Take 3.
So let's try this throttle body again. Throttle body's on.
Kinda.
Kind of. We're only missing one bolt, but we'll find that later. Digging these white face gauges.
You like those?
No. No.
Why not?
They're not period-esque.
Well, that's a throwback to
Show cars.
wow, you went there with it.
You sure did mangle up these door cards.
Like that.
Precision tweeters.
Precision.
Yeah, look at that. Precision tweet action right there.
Come on.
What are you doing over there?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
I would try and come help you, but I don't think I can get up now.
You're forever stuck in Marlow?
Yeah. Is this what you're gonna be rocking when you cruising around the Supra?
And yes, that is mine.
I got one too. I saw them in concert
I didn't get to see the concert.
in Philadelphia on the art museum steps. They played on July 4th.
That was pretty sweet.
The steps where Rocky ran up. Owner's Guide supplement. What is it supplementing?
Owning the car.
State of Massachusetts. Oh, do they have anything about South Carolina in here?
Don't go to South Carolina.
Goes from Rhode Island to Tennessee.
Do not go to South Carolina.
Notice to all consumers. We at Toyota are proud of our commitment to quality and workmanship, and to you, our customer. This philosophy is known as the Toyota Touch. Has Toyota touched you?
Yes.
That could be like a class action lawsuit.
It was mutual. I signed a waiver.
Alright, so while Randall's putting on the starter, I'm going to go ahead and throw on the downpipe. Just because I know how to do that.
Are you sure?
Kind of. Better put jack stands under that.
Huh?
I said you better put jack stands under that.
I am.
Alright.
Moving that.
I don't want to see your pretty little face get crushed.
Did you call me pretty?
No.
So it doesn't really look like it, but we made a ton of progress today. Besides the IAC going on 3 or 4 times and the throttle body with 1 bolt still missing out of it. We've got the transmissions wired up, the downpipes on. This mess that needs to be fixed is sorted, sorta. And the bracket for the power steering's on. Linkage for the transmission's on.
Salad fingers. Did you ever see that?
No.
No. You should look that up.
What is?
It's like a cartoon on YouTube. Yeah. Salad fingers.
Okay, I'll make sure to look that up. Plug for salad fingers. So yeah, we've made a ton of progress actually.
We'll be running next time. Think we can start it next week?
Maybe.
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 I get
Maybe. Maybe. Maybe.
Littering and littering. Oh, I already did that. I can't do that. Never mind. No more Super Trooper references. No, I mean, I'm in pretty good shape. Pretty confident that if not next week, the week after,
Yeah.
it'll be starting up.
All right. That's going to wrap it up for today. Head on over to sandrmotoring.com. Check out our merch. Hit the subscribe button, please. Leave us a comment. Hit the like button. You know, all that good YouTube stuff that everybody tells you to do in their videos. We did a new podcast this morning, so that I'll put a link in the description for that. And, you know, all the other stuff too. Facebook, Instagram. And yeah, that's it.
And if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please do.
Yeah.
We're so close to 1,000. So close.
Yeah.
Like right there. We can taste it.
Yep.
So,
It's in our grasp.
yes. So please do.
All right, yeah. Next week, hopefully we turn the key in 7M.
I hope so.
You know what we got to do?
What?
Lack of sleep is wearing in.
Keep on motoring.
Mm-hmm.